Good morning, student. Myself Gadak sir from Shakti Vidyaniketan, Mandar School. Okay. So friends, we are learning math subject for the 5th standard. So into the last lecture, we have seen the topic that is showing bigger number and smaller number by using the symbols. So from the chapters second, that is number 1. So I think all of you solve that exercise problem, okay, and all of you get the proper idea about how to give the symbol for showing bigger number and smaller number. So for showing the bigger number and smaller number, we have to first identify which is the bigger number and which is the smaller number from the given number. Once you identify that which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number, what you have to do, you have to keep the face of that arrow toward the larger number. That means for that symbol, where should be the bigger number? Toward this side, and here the smaller number is there. Okay, that means if I am using that symbol, bigger number, suppose I have two numbers 5 and 8, which is the bigger? 8. So for that symbol, for using that symbol, I would write 8 here and 5 here. Okay, that means face of that symbol is toward the larger number. Again, if I want to use that arrow or use that symbol, then for 5 and 8, 5 is smaller, 8 is bigger. So I will write that 8 toward this side. That means I will make the face of that arrow toward the 8, and on the opposite side I will write 5. Okay, so that is the meaning of that symbol. So I think all of you get the proper idea about how to show bigger number and smaller number by using the symbols. Okay. Now into the today's lecture, we have to see the last point of the second chapter, number. Okay. So the last point from the second chapter, number 1, is that introduction to the crores. Okay. So up to the last lecture, we have seen the number up to the 7-digit number. Okay. So if we see the sequence for the digit into the number, then we will write the number like that. First place is unit place. Then after the unit, okay, or first I will write it like that. Then I will write it. So first unit is first digit is unit, then 10. After the 10, there will be the 100. Okay. After the 100, there will be the 1000. After the 1000, there will be the 10,000. After the 10,000, first digit is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After the 10,000, there will be the lakh. After the lakh, there will be the 10 lakh. Okay. That means how many digits I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That means to the last lecture, we have seen the number up to the 7 digit. That's why we have seen the number up to 7 digit number. That means up to the 7 digit number, we are able to read and write that number into the word also. That means up to the 7 digit, I can read the number. And which is the last digit? That is 10 lakh. Okay. So suppose for the 7 digit number, if I am taking the numbers like that or digit like that, 2, 4, 5, 0, 2, 9 and 2. Okay. Like that I have written the numbers for the every place. Now if I consider that whole number, I can read the number. So for reading the number, what I will do? I will give the comma. So commas, I will give first comma after the 100. So 5 is at the place of 100. So I will give the comma after the 100. And next all commas will come after the every 2 digit. So I will again give the comma after the 2. That means first and second digit. And after that 1 and that means after that place I have to give the comma. But into the given number only 7 digits are there. So if I want to read the number I will do? I will see that 2 is present at the place of 10 lakh. So I will consider that number 2 and 9 combined. So 2 and 9 is 29. At the place of lakh, there will be the 29. So 29 lakh. Again, that 2 is present at 10,000. That means I will again consider that number as unit place or combined. So 2 and 0 is 20. So 20,000. So 29 lakh 20,542 is the number. Okay. Like that I will able to read the given number. Now that number having how many digits? 7 digits. That's why that number is 7-digit number. Okay. And for the 7-digit number, which is the last digit, that is 10 lakh. Okay. So up to the here we are able to read the number. Okay. That means up to the 7-digit number, I am able to read and write the given number. Okay. So up to the 7-digit. First digit is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now, suppose I want to take any number which contain 8 digits. Now this number contain how many digits? 7 digits. Now I want to take any number which contain how many digits? 8 digits. That means for 8-digit number, what I have to do? I have to add again one more number. So I will add here one more number, that is 3. Okay, so I have added 3. Now that number contains how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 digits. Now that number will become how many digit number? 8-digit number obviously. So if that number contains 8 digits, that number are called as 8-digit number. Now if I want to read the number, what I have to do the commas. So first comma is obviously after 100. That means correct. Then after even 2 digits, that means this comma is correct. And after 1 and 2, I will do the comma. Okay. That means that 3 digits. Okay. Now up to this place, that means up to the 7th place, we know the places. That means first place is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh. Now after the 10 lakh, that 3 is present at which place? That we have to find out. So obviously after the 1000 there will be the 10,000. Then after the 10,000 there will be the lakh, and after the lakh there will be the 10 lakh. Now after the 10 lakh there will be the introduction to the crores. That means 8 digit is at the place of crores. That means here I will write crores. Okay, crores. That means that 3 is present at the place of crore. Okay, obviously that 3 is present at the place of crore. After the 10 lakh there will be the crores. Now if I want to read the given number, how I will read that given number? That 3 is present at the place of crore. That means 3 crore. Then 2 is present at the place of 10 lakh. That means I will combine and consider that number. That is 29. So 3 crore 29 lakh 20,542 is the number. Simple. So how I have read the number? 3. Firstly I have given the digit to all the numbers. 100, then 1000, then 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So 3 crores 29 lakh 20,542 is the given. That means from this topic what we have learned, introduction to crores, we have learned that if any number contains 8 digits, okay, how many digits? The number contains 8 digits, then that 8 digit is present at the place of crores. That means 8th place is for the crores. Okay. So 3 crores 29 lakh 20,542 is the given number. Okay. Now one more number we will take. Okay. Suppose 3 1 0 4 6 8 and 7. Okay. Now I have taken how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That means that number is 8 digit number. If there are 8 digits, then that numbers are called the crores. Now I give you the commas. After the 1000, after the 100, then 10,000, then 10 lakh. And after the 10 lakh, there will be the crores. So 7 crores, 86 lakh, 43,000. Listen, read once again. 7 crore, 86 lakh, 43,210 is the given number. I can also write that number into the word answer. That means that is the introduction to the crores. That means if the 10 lakh there is 8 digit, if 8 digit is present, then that is present at the place of crores. Now if I want to add one more digit, okay. Now after the crore there will be the 10 crores. 10 crores. Okay. After the crores, there will be 10 crores. Now I will use the comma after the 6. That means after the 2 digit. So that 67. Now that 67 is present at the place of crore. So 67 crores, 86 lakh, 43,210 is the given number. That means like that. After the 1000 there will be the 10,000, after the lakh there will be the 10 lakh. Like that, after the crore there will be the 10 crores. Okay? And after the 10 crores I will again give the commas. Okay? That means the given number, that the number contained 8 digit, that above number contained 8 digit and that number contained 9 digit. So 67 crore, 86 lakh, 43,210 is the given number. Like that, you are able to read the given numbers. If you know the all places for the every digit. Okay. So sequence is like that. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores, 10 crores. Like that. After the 10 crores, there will be the object. That is given into your book like that. Okay friends. So student, look here on page number 9. On page number 9 there will be the one chart. That is 1. That one is single. That's why we are calling it as 1. After that there will be the 1 0 on the 10. Okay. That 1 0 on the 1. So that is single one. Then into this there will be the 1 0. That means that is tens. Then there are 2 zeros. That means that is 100. There are 3 zeros. 1000. Then 4 zeros. 10,000. 5 zeros. Lakh. 6 zeros. 10 lakh. 7 zeros. Crores. 8 zeros. 10 crores. And 9 zeros. Object. Like that, you can identify the number or you can read the number for the given number. Okay. And below that they have given the digit like that. Unit. After the unit there will be the tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. After the crores there will be the 10 crores, and after the 10 crores there will be the object. Okay. Like that, if you know the digit of all the places, then you can read the given numbers. Okay. So into this lecture, what we have seen the introduction to the crores. That means now you are able to read the number up to the place crores or 10 crores. Okay. That will be the crores. Okay. That crores or 10 crores you can read the given number. That means into the 5th standard we have seen the reading of number up to the crores, 10 crores and up. Okay. So friends, you have to study that second chapter also into your home. So here we will finish the second chapter. Into the next lecture, we will start next chapter. Okay, thank you friends.